Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change your mouse cursor. So all you have to do is to go to your control panel. Oh, excuse me, there's a little update for OBS. Let me just close that. And you want to type in on this search bar right here, mouse. Alright? And then click on mouse again. It's going to lead you to this window right here. So click on pointers, and this is how you're going to be able to change the style of your cursor. Now, of course, a fresh install of Windows will get you this cursor right here, and this is how the cursor looks with the pointer shadow effects on. Click apply. So let's say, so obviously there are three windows right here. The scheme window right here tells you all the schemes that you can change. The preview window obviously previews the cursor that you selected, and here are the types of cursors that come with that scheme. So let's say I want the inverted scheme. So it's going to give me an inverted effect. I don't know if it's going to show up in the screen, but it does show up on my screen. So if I go through my wallpaper right here, it's going to the cursor basically gives me the inverted color of the wallpaper, and it might not show up on the recording, but that's fine. Let's see how it looks with enabled effects. Yep, it does look a little okay because this is an older style of a cursor. This is the old Windows cursor. As you can see, the little busy cursor here. It has this little sand clock right here, unlike the new one. And if you want to just use the default one, just click that and hit apply, and you just use the default one, which is basically the older version. If you want to hit also pointer shadow effects as well, also works with it. You're gonna go back to the default system scheme. You could also check the same thing like the default, but it also could be a larger size. So there are three versions of the default, three versions of the black, three versions of the inverted, and two versions of the standard. But if you do not like any of these, you could always browse a specific cursor. You could always browse a specific cursor that you downloaded from the internet. So browse, and then you just go to your desktop or your libraries and go to downloads, and you should be able to find it there. So yeah, there we go. That's how you can change your cursor from just this normal boring cursor to anything you want, really. I mean, anything's the limit, really. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.